Hey guys, in this video, I will show you exactly how to return on Shein. First of all, open up the Shein app. Once you get into Shein, click on Messages icon from the top left corner. Then go into Orders. Once you go into Order, you're gonna see all the products you've ordered on Shein. If you like to return some products, just simply click on the Return Item button from the bottom. Now select the item you want to return. Once you select the product you want to return, it will take you to the next page, where you have to select the reason for returning. Enter all the reasons. And the photos are required for applying for return, so go ahead and choose the photos you want to apply for. Now fill in all the details, then tap on Next Step. Your next step is to choose the refund method. You can choose any of the given options from refund methods and click to continue. After choosing the refund method, choose the return method. Select your post office or UPS store, whatever you want, then click on Continue. Once you're done with all of it, click on Submit to submit your return application. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.